This is after I just cleaned up their bowls. Basically 3 minutes after. Here we are, we're all fully asleep. Mostly. That's Blackie who's facing me right there. That's Kong. That one right there is what? That is little light blue collar. Okay. There's dark blue collar. I know you can't really see much with these because it's dark and they're sleeping. But I just wanted to show these to you.